Dive into nature's finest with herbs for holistic wellness. Packing the power of superfoods for your journey to optimal health. Embrace nature's nutrient-dense delicacies that nourish body and soul. Harmonize your body and mind with natural wellness practices. Fuel your vitality, and let every step take you closer to a healthier you. Celebrate life's melodies with enhanced hearing and joy. Tune into the rhythm of life, experiencing every note in crystal clarity. Boost your brain power, unlocking nature's gift of sharp cognition. As the sun sets, step into your new world of wellness with Cortexi.